Master the magic of adjectives. Give color to your sentences. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we will venture into the wonderful world of adjectives. By understanding adjectives and how to use them, you can add depth and detail to your sentences, making your English more vibrant and expressive. So, let's start. Let's kick off our lesson by understanding the core concept. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, typically nouns or pronouns. They give us more information about these words, such as their size, color, number, quality, and much more. For example, in the sentence, I have a blue car, blue is an adjective because it describes the color of the car. There are several types of adjectives, each serving a unique function in a sentence. 1. Descriptive adjectives. These are the most common type, providing specific details about the noun or pronoun they modify. For example, in "She has a lovely voice," lovely is a descriptive adjective. 2. Quantitative adjectives. These adjectives tell us the quantity or number of the noun. For instance, in the sentence, I have 3 apples, 3 is a quantitative adjective. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out or demonstrate specific things. Words like this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives. Example: this book is mine. The position of adjectives often depends on what the adjective is modifying. 1. Attributive adjectives. These are positioned before the noun they modify. For example, in "The large elephant was eating," large is an attributive adjective. 2. Predicative adjectives. These come after the verb and modify the subject of the sentence. For instance, in "The elephant is large," large is a predicative adjective. Adjectives can also be used to compare things or people. 1. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two things. For example, she is taller than me. 2. Superlative adjectives are used when you compare more than two things. For example, she is the tallest girl in the class. Remember, most short adjectives add or est to form their comparative and superlative forms, while longer adjectives use more or most. And that's a wrap for our introductory lesson on adjectives. I hope that this video helped you understand adjectives a bit better. Remember, adjectives are your friends. They give color, life, and personality to your sentences, allowing you to express yourself more accurately in English. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into this topic. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.